Sure, from there, and today I'm going to be showing you 2 Nerf guns that I got. So, number 1 is the Elite Nerf Strike, and it's a strong arm. I think this is the first thing that pops up into your head. It's a Nerf Elite gun. It has its own popping. It pops open by itself, and it's pretty sick. You just, all you do, pull back the trigger, aim, and then fire. And then once you do the firing, it just does this. It just does this, like, it automatically changes. And this is pretty nice and sick. I don't know how many batteries come with it. This doesn't require batteries. Wow. But it can be broken. You can lose the bullets. Good thing I got lots of bullets that you can't even explain, because I got my own bullet pack. So you gotta get this. And you gotta get this. It's pretty cool. I think it's cool myself. So, and here's number 2. This is the Nerf Mega Big Shot. It's a Nerf strike gun. Also, it's small. It comes with 2 mega bullets. Whenever you're not using it, whenever you're using it, just slip it in. Whenever you're not, easy to slip out. So you just pull here. Here's what you do first. You put 1 on top, and 1 on the bottom. And then after that, see this? You just pull it back. And then you aim and fire. This thing really stings, and it goes like, pew, when it gets fired. So, I don't think you want to mind. Oh, it's a big shock, too. So, I don't think you want to get hurt by this. So, which one do you think would win in a Nerf battle? Because next video, I'm going to verse my brother that just came up with these. So, it's outside. So goodbye.